Welcome to today's video, where we will be discussing 5 beginner-friendly ClickBank products that you can promote with your CBProAds Storefront. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just starting out, these products will give you the best chance of success. Let's dive in. Our first product is the Flat Belly Fix. This program offers a unique approach to weight loss, focusing on the role of sleep and stress in your body's ability to burn fat. With its catchy title and compelling sales page, promoting this product is sure to get clicks. And with a 75% commission rate, you'll be well on your way to earning passive income. Next up is Cinderella Solution, another weight loss program that has been gaining popularity since its release. This program focuses on the idea of flair and ignite foods that work together to boost your metabolism and help you lose weight. With its target audience of women over 30, this product has the potential to be a real moneymaker. Moving away from weight loss, his secret obsession is a product that targets women who are looking for advice on how to make their man devoted to them. This program focuses on the psychology of male desire and how women can use that to their advantage in their relationships. With a high conversion rate and a $1.64 commission, this is a product you don't want to miss. Our fourth product is the Lost Book of Remedies, a guide to natural remedies and medicinal plants that has been making waves in the health and wellness space. With the growing interest in alternative medicine, promoting this book could be a lucrative opportunity, and with a 75% commission rate, you'll be making money while helping people improve their health naturally. Last but not least, we have the AS Code, a product that teaches people how to make money online using Amazon. This program is great for beginners, as it takes you through the process step by step, so you don't need any prior experience in affiliate marketing. With a commission rate of 60%, this is a product that can provide a steady source of income. So there you have it. 5 beginner-friendly ClickBank products that you can promote with your CBProAds Storefront. Remember, choosing the right product to promote is just the first step. You also need to create compelling content and drive traffic to your site. With some hard work and dedication, you can start earning passive income and building a successful online business.